Hi, this is Christine on Christina on the Cheap. I have been wanting to get a mantle for my bedroom, and I've been, looking around for them. And this I happened to see on Craigslist, and it was only like 30 minutes away from my home. It's actually a gas insert, but I thought, I can probably decorate it pretty good to make it look really nice. And it is very thin though. It's not a real thick one, which is very nice too, so it doesn't intrude in the bedroom that much. So I am gonna now decorate it. I'll probably be changing it throughout the months, just because I do change, just change things. But these things that I'm putting in here now will be things that I already have in the house, and I'm just changing my decorations. So I'm gonna shut it off and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Christine on the Cheap. This is my finished product. I have the picture up here above, which I've had before. I'm not sure, I think I'd like to have a mirror there. The candles are for Hobby Lobby, and they're really cool where they're actually, you can turn them off one by one by the remote here, and that's something you could put in your beside your bed or something like that. Right now they're turned on, but I'm going to turn them off so that you can see. They turned off before. There we go. And then this little sign is from the Dollar Tree, and the little bird is from the Dollar Tree as well. I have to go to different Dollar Trees because sometimes they just don't have the product that I see like on other DIYs. So I go to many different Dollar Trees all over the place and try to find things. This is a basket, and I put our pillows that were on our bed. I kind of hate to always take off the pillows when you're trying to go to bed. So I thought, this is a different way of doing it. And of course, the big basket I got at a thrift store, and then this is also a bunch of Dollar Tree flowers that I've had for years, and I just kind of put them all together. And then of course I got a basket from a thrift store, and I just have my library books. I'm an avid reader, so this is basically what it looks like, which I think it turned out pretty good. I'm debating about possibly painting it in the future, maybe, a white or a very pale blue, since my bedroom has blue accessories and things like that. But I thought it turned out really nice. Thanks for watching.